I'm Charwei Tsai, and I'm from Taiwan. I'm based in Paris. Traditionally, in our art is inseparable from spirituality. So through our art, the purpose is to create a transcendence that brings one out of the self and to connect with a greater force. And then after I lived in Paris and New York, I realized the emphasis in art is very different from where I come from. It's more about developing a critical thinking and using art as a way to challenge current situations or current systems. So I think both components you could see in my practice. It is very much part of my practice of creating different exchanges and different collaborations and dialogue. I was invited for the Biennale to respond to a plate that was on loan from the Louvre collection. And it's a very special plate that even though it was used for daily use, but it was designed in a way that there's a Coofy calligraphy going across the rim of the plate. And then there's a center point in the plate. This dynamic between the symmetry of the calligraphy and this central point creates this cosmic feeling. So my work is responding to this quality of the cosmos that's in the plate. For this project, I'm collaborating with a very special calligrapher, Abdul Rahman Al-Shahed, and it was really a rare opportunity to work with someone who was born in Mecca and who has studied Arabic calligraphy at the Holy Mosque. So it was a very, very special opportunity to study calligraphy with such a teacher. And so I think this aspect of faith and devotion is the most important part for me in our practice. So when I'm making this work, I make an aspiration that when I'm mixing the paint, I'm always trying to make an aspiration that the words that is written on the work that could help to ease the journeys of the pilgrims who pass through.